This faceless YouTube channel gets over 6 million views a month and is monetized and is likely making thousands of dollars just by creating extremely simple YouTube shorts. In fact, I created 300 of same YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes for free. In this video I will show how can use ChatGPT in Canva to do the same so you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and earn money. Okay, let's get started. So we are starting with ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and write this prompt code. I need 20 relatable short quotes about success, breakup, motivation. These need to be divided into two parts, where the first part is a hook and makes the reader intrigued to know the second part. The language needs to be super simple and not flowery or preachy. Don't use complicated words. Generating our quotes like table. Now we have all the quotes well written and also well categorized in less than 5 minutes. Alright, what now want to do is to copy and paste all the quotes in Excel, and as you can see, quotes generated by ChatGPT. So let's start making some fancy YouTube shorts. With Canva, go to canva.com and search for mobile video. Click blank mobile video. It'll take you to the timeline. On the search section, search for quotes. It'll give you lots of different quotes templates. As you can see, there are plenty of templates that match my descriptions. Select this one. Adjustable video clip duration to 10 seconds. Add a heading for video title. Copy the first quotes and paste in heading. Change the font size and center the heading. Touch effect, add a text background. Change the colors you want. Copy the second row text to add second paragraph. Copy to third row text to add third paragraph. Next, right-click on the 𝗧 part of the quote and select Show Timing. This will show you the duration and placement of the text in the video. We want the first half of the quotes to be 9 seconds long, followed by 1 second pause, and then we start the second part of the quote at the 10-second mark. You can add an animation to text. Go to element, add square shape, fill it to black color for darkness our background. Now you can adjustable transparent for our background. Now we're going to insert the database of quotes into Canva. Clicks, go to apps in the left menu and search for bulk. Create, select enter data manually. Clear all data. Click all data, then copy your Excel list of quotes. Now them into Canva with paste. So we can click on done. Oh, what happened? Not create a database yet. We will try to fix it. Go to back, touch enter data manually. Clear all data. Copy your Excel list of quotes, paste in here top of blank. Done. Our database is added. Next, right click on the part of the quote and select connect data. Touch hook to title. Touch part 1 to first paragraph. Touch part 2 to second paragraph. Click on continue and then it generates 20 pages. And voila, we now have 20 YouTube shorts. The only downside is that all the videos have the same background. You can change this manually by going to the menu bar on the left and selecting Element here. You can search different videos and choose the one you like. And change the clip duration to 9.9 seconds. Click on the three dots at the video and select Replace Background. And this is how you can generate so many shorts just like this so fast. Now you can change one by one videos. Title, text, background colors, and add different font style and add beautiful animation to text. You can search and add different videos clips for the background. Let's do it. Now we want to add music for our short videos. First go YouTube Studio Audio Library and search genre and ambient. Now you can select and download you want audios. Now we add audio for videos by going to the menu bar on the left and selecting Upload and select you downloaded audios. Drag and drop uploaded audio on video clip. Select and download different audio tracks. Go to Canva, upload the audios. Now drag and drop one by one audios to videos. Now we download our videos. First click Share button and add a tick to touch download pages as separate files box. Hit Download button. Your videos file is downloading. Go to Download folder and extract downloaded RAW file. We created 20 videos are in here. Okay, let's go to create a YouTube channel. Go to ChatGPT and write this. Give me a 20 names facts YouTube channel in one word. Select and copy the best name and go to YouTube. Go to right side up a YouTube account, touch Create Channel. Paste your YouTube channel name. Create channel. Refresh the site. Touch Customize channel. Let's go to Leonardo.ai. Create a channel profile. Touch AI image generator and select size. Type the prompt code. Download image. Go to canva.com. Search YouTube cover, select template. Select the template matching our cover. Now you can upload your YouTube channel profile picture and create your own YouTube cover. Upload your channel profile and cover. Touch Create button. Upload. You created short video one by one. Add a title in video, first paragraph text. OK, add description in video for using ChatGPT. Go and write this. Yes, it is done. Copy and paste it. You can add tags. Touch Publish button. Amazing! Your video is published now. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel.